fall down, clean up the place all around. Welcome to live well. Welcome to live well. Oh, your food natural.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, guys. And as you know, we're keeping the sowing going, guys. In this episode we're going to be doing some watermelons, guys. Watermelons, yeah. Well, when I say watermelons, I mean more like cantaloupes, you know, that style. So I've got a variety of them, different kinds growing in there. Do I know which ones they are now? I just had some seeds I saved from last year, and accumulatively I just grew them, you know, randomly. And then whatever I get at the end of it, I'll be well appreciated, guys. It'll be well appreciated. As you know, we're going to use the usual strategy, guys. We're first going to just do our holes, you know. And like I said, it's no dig, but, you know, can't make the holes. You can't grow it if you don't make a hole, guys. All right, so we just want them to be fairly deep because I like to go deep. And then I'm going to come back, guys. I'm going to come back and then just put some water in the holes like I always do, because I just believe it helps with the transplant shock, you know. So if you don't want your plants looking all wilty in the sun, all, you know, droopy and stuff, put some water at the base before you transplant them. Now, last year, I did try to grow these watermelons here, but I did start way late in the season, guys. So though I saw watermelons, I never got to enjoy them. They never got big enough, guys. The season got on me, the frost came, and that was the end of it. Now these guys, I'm going to try to grow them real close, because I'm going to try to just basically keep them in this area here, if I can. But we're just going to make the holes for now, guys. And then once we do this, we'll add the water. Potatoes from last year. This was the potato bed last year, guys. Yeah. That's what it is. You see, like once you grow potato in a bed once, guys, I guarantee you for a very long time, you'll still have potatoes coming back up, no matter how much you think you took out. So maybe I missed this one last year, I don't know. But look, as you can see, there's still potatoes from last year, so yeah, if you have a potato bed, just try to keep it as the potato bed. Maybe just keep amending it. Now I've made an extension here where I had some compost, and then very similar to that side there, I had some compost which I put down. But that side I already had the cardboard. This side I didn't, so I just did it the other way around. I flipped it. I put the cardboard on top and the compost on top of the cardboard, and there will just be the compost going straight on top of the decaying compost that you see there. All right, guys, so my next step now would be to get some water in there. So let's do that so we can go to the next step. All right.
Yeah, you live well. Grow your food natural.
Our holes got the water in it. Here comes the fun part. It is actually getting these guys down. Now, how I grew these here was I just basically took one cucumber seed, just one. One watermelon seed, just one. They look very similar, confusing a bit. Just one watermelon seed in each cell, and I hoped for the best. And with this one here, 3 of them didn't germinate, but all the rest did. It's all good, it's all good. Right, so we're just gonna do the usual. Stick them in the water like so. And guys, you don't have to wait for your plants to be gigantic, big plants to grow them. Sometimes I believe the smaller you can put them into the ground, the smaller you can transplant them, the better it could be for the plant, because they start very young, very small. They get a chance to develop their root system quicker into the ground, and rather than keeping them in pots and it just keeps, you know, root binding. This way, from this point onwards, the roots are gonna spread out. So we can't go wrong with that. Don't be afraid to plant your plants or your seedlings at a small stage. Alright guys, so as you can see, we've got them in the holes there. The next thing I'm gonna go and do is I believe I brought some chicken manure. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of chicken manure around the whole, guys, just to give it a little bit of start, a little bit of food. You know, it's a 2-1-1, so you know it's not too strong. Alright, guys. So now the next bit is to add the chicken manure. It's just little pellets like this, guys, or they come in pellets. You know, and not a lot, just like a little something. It will just give them a little bit of a boost, guys. You know, these guys, they do like a little bit of nitrogen, you know what I'm saying to you? So this is just to help them develop, help their stems and stuff, you know, stay strong, especially in the beginning. Right, so we're just gonna backfill them, guys, as usual. We're just gonna bring it up to the first set of leaves. You know, the colored, you know, first set of leaves. I can't say the name, guys. Yeah. Right. The first set of baby leaves that you get when it comes out of the seed, just bring it up to there. That's where I'm bringing it to. If anybody knows the proper name, I mean, I know the name, but I just find it hard to pronounce sometimes. So, yeah, let's go with that, guys. Right, so these watermelons, like I always say, most fruits take between 2.5 to 3 months for them to give you them a mature fruit. Some are longer, some vegetables do grow longer, but fruits especially, if it's a fruit, they normally take about 3 months, you know? And then you're gonna get your fruit ready and good to go, guys, ready and good to go. And we know watermelon is very, very healthy for you. It's one of the superfoods, you know, if you're into all that stuff. Right, guys, and you know, at this stage, we always like to do our vitamins, guys. And you know, we got some potassium, some magnesium, some vitamin C, some vitamin A, guys. You can't go wrong with the watermelon. Grow some, guys. Grow some watermelons. And if you are growing any watermelons this year, guys, like I always say, what's your variety? You know, sometimes I'm a non-variety, guys. I just get the seeds and I grow. So these, I don't exactly know the actual variety. I just know that they're going to be some cantaloupe style melons at the ending, guys. But if you know the name of yours, feel free, let us know in the comment, guys. If you got this far in the video, guys, you know, give us a subscribe, join the community, guys. The new subscribers, I just want to say thank you very much, guys. Welcome. You know, our usual viewers, you know, the coming back people who watches us. Thank you, guys. Like I say, you keep the channel going. All right, so my next step here, guys, will just be to come along and just give it a light watering. Just make sure that the roots have settled in. And on that note, guys, I'd just like to say, let's live well, and together we grow, guys. Bless.